What is a criminal defense specialist? If you are charged with a crime, how do you know which lawyer to hire? One lawyer is an expert. That sounds good, right? Another lawyer is the best. He must be great if he can go around calling himself the best. A third lawyer is a super lawyer. How do you get that title? Not everyone is a super lawyer. It must mean something. A fourth title is specialist. Is that any good? Which is better? A specialist or an expert? Do any of these terms have any meaning besides being advertising terms? The answer is a resounding yes. The term specialist is an actual earned and awarded term. It is the only term governed by the State Bar of California. Any lawyer in California can be an expert, but that lawyer can suffer state bar sanctions if the lawyer call himself or herself a specialist unless the State Bar of California has certified the lawyer. Here is how this important title and achievement is awarded. California has a state bar system that certifies specialists in certain areas of law. The program is governed by the Board of Trustees, which has the authority to create, amend, and oversee rules for certification. The California Board of Legal Specialization, abbreviated as CBLS, ensures that only attorneys with substantial experience, education, and proficiency are certified as specialists. The CBLS consists of 9 members appointed by the Board of Trustees, with at least 6 being certified specialists or experienced attorneys in specialized fields. Members serve staggered 3-year terms with a maximum of 2 consecutive terms, ensuring continuity and fresh perspectives. The CBLS has broad powers, including developing standards for certification, approving examination providers, and overseeing advisory commissions for each specialty field. These commissions, composed of specialists, assist in creating field-specific standards and evaluating applicants, ensuring rigorous and relevant criteria. Unfortunately, the general public does not have a clear understanding of the importance of specialization. In medicine, specialization is understood. If you hurt your back and need surgery, you go to a board-certified orthopedic doctor. In the law profession, anyone can call themselves an expert, but that is not the same as specialist. The problem arises when people balance hiring an expert versus a specialist. Who cares? Most people are happy to have an expert. In fact, maybe an expert is expert than a specialist. Who knows? If you are watching this video, you will know the difference, and the difference can be vast. To become a certified specialist, an attorney must be an active member of the California State Bar, in good standing. That's standard, of course. However, this attorney must meet specific requirements in their field. These include demonstrating substantial involvement in this specialty area. The lawyer must complete approved continuing legal education, and there is a written examination. There is more. Applicants must also provide references from peers or judges to verify their competence. The application process is rigorous, and many people fail. Those who pass almost always dedicate a great deal of time and effort to prepare for the examination. The torture of becoming a specialist is repeated by requirements to recertify every 5 years. Daniel Horowitz has been a specialist for over 25 years, and the recertification is time-consuming and demanding. Recertification requires continued substantial involvement in the specialty and the completion of additional and very high-level continuing education. The recertification applicant must demonstrate ongoing excellence either through re-examination or alternative criteria such as peer reviews or documented practice.
The Horowitz law firm recently had charges dismissed in a major Penal Code Section 550 case filed in Riverside County. Daniel Horowitz has achieved the same success in many cases in the San Francisco Bay Area. If you need a board-certified criminal defense specialist, State Bar of California Board of Legal Specialization, call Daniel Horowitz at 925-283-1863